two complex numbers, if we have two complex numbers z1 and z2 such that z z1 and z such that z is equal to z1 power n or z1 is equal to z power 1 over n, then z1 is the nth root of this complex number z. That is, then z1